Hey guys, so today I'm with my roommate,
Maya.
We're going to be filming a room tour, and this is going to be my first video back since like 8th grade, but that's okay. We're thriving in college. We go to University of South Florida, so get ready for a room tour. I have class in about 30 minutes, so this is going to have to go pretty quick. So hope you enjoy. So here is our door, and when we walk in, I have my message board for all my visitors that come to visit. And then you turn to the left, and this is my side of the room. I just have my laptop, my contact paper so it doesn't look like college. And then I have my hydro flask. I have pictures with me and my boyfriend. I have my fake succulents back there. I have my jewelry stand. I have my books. And here I have my makeup and stuff, then just a bunch of drawers. I have this blanket that has my initials. And here's my bed. It's very comfortable. Here are some pictures of me and my friends and my family. Turning around, I have my mini fridge. Then over here, we have our mirror that we check ourselves out in every day. Then this is my dresser. I have a Go Bulls sign and my towels and sheets. Then I have all my shirts, all my hoodies and jackets and stuff. Down here, I have my bras and underwear and stuff. Then here I have like the stupid stuff that no one really cares about. My laundry basket. At my end of my bed, I have a snack box. Talk about her side of the room.
Okay, mine's a little bland compared to Kimmy's, but here we just hung up a tapestry, cute, right? I have a Yosef blanket, a Yosef pillow, marble bedding. Here I keep like swimwear and stuff, shorts, leggings for the gym, jeans and shorts here, and then all my other clothes and t-shirts and stuff in here. Laundry basket there. Here I have a little pin board, Yosef 23, go Bulls. Calendar, TV and Xbox, a little fan, some little decorations, my cute little laptop case. It's like corgi. Yeah, and then here's my closet. There's clothes and like extra towels and stuff. And then I have snacks here, mug here, more decorations. But yeah, that's it.
So that was our room tour. Sorry that we're so awkward, but we're gonna get more comfortable within the next couple of videos. So we hope you enjoyed seeing our room. And now we both have to get to class. So we'll see you next time. Bye.